Good day everyone! You're tuning to DILG Zamboanga del Sur Ganap sa Field. Back again to bring you closer to the heart of public service. I'm J. Mark Paras, Aisawan, and today we're sharing real stories, real actions, and real impact straight from the field. On February 6, 2026, the DILG Zamboanga del Sur led discussion during the PCES mobile conference, providing updates on DILG issuances, foreign travel authority requirements, and local legislative awards to strengthen the capacity of Sangguniang secretaries across the province held at Raybay Resort, San Pablo, Zamboanga del Sur. On February 11, 2026, the DILG Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Office joined the Liga ng mga Barangay meeting to discuss LTIA capacity building and governance support for local officials. On February 11 to 12, 2026, the DILG Zamboanga del Sur PDMU welcomed two engineers through an orientation on its core functions and key programs to enhance technical assistance for local government units. The municipality of Labangan successfully completed the LTIA table assessment for all 25 barangays on February 5 to 6 in accordance with the DILG advisories and memoranda evaluating the previous years of Lupong Tagapamayapa performance. The DILG Labangan Field Office actively participated in the barangay treasurers meeting with 21 treasurers and 2 record keepers highlighting their commitment to transparency, accountability, and good governance held on February 11, 2026. On February 12, 2026, the DILG Labangan Field Office joined the 21 barangay secretaries at the barangay secretaries meeting held at the Legislative Session Hall, second floor, New Municipal Government Building, New Labangan, Zamboanga del Sur. MLGO Marcarci Bernante as member and head of the MPOC Secretariat attended and provided secretariat services to LGO Di Mataling, Zamboanga del Sur first quarter 2026 joint MPOC MADAC and MDC meeting on February 10, 2026. Municipal assessment team headed by MLGO Marcarci Niza Bernante conducted tabletop assessment of CY 2026 Lupong Tagapaymayapa Incentives Awards or LTIA on February 11 to 13, 2026. The activity were successfully conducted and participated by all 24 barangays in the municipality of Di Mataling, Zamboanga del Sur. And that's a glimpse of how Ganap sa Field showcases public service at its finest. Daghang salamat for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode where we always surpass the limit.